Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your VW Touareg into neutral. First, we'll cover the standard method, which is straightforward when your vehicle has power. Then, I'll guide you through the manual override process, essential for situations like a dead battery or when the shift lock is engaged. This information will help you safely move your Touareg when needed, whether for towing or maintenance. Let's get started with the basics. For the standard method, begin by ensuring your Touareg is completely stopped and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, turn off the ignition and verify that the gear selector is in the park position. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, locate the gear selector lever on your center console. Now, simply move the lever to the neutral position. You should see an N indicator illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the shift. If your Touareg is without power or the shifter is stuck in park, you'll need to use the manual override. First, locate the small shift lock release cover on your center console, often near the gear selector. Gently pry this cover open with a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool. Underneath, you'll find a release button, which is typically yellow. Press and hold this button down while simultaneously moving the gear lever into the neutral position. Once in neutral, you can release the button and replace the cover. Remember, always refer to your specific Touareg owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions, as procedures can vary slightly between models. The manual override is intended for emergency situations, such as when your car needs to be towed. After shifting to neutral, always ensure the vehicle is properly secured to prevent any unintended rolling. And hey, if your car could use a little freshening up, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.